I've made a Flutter app called Simple Weather, with Android Studio on Windows 10. It runs perfectly on Android simulators. Now I want to run it on iOS simulators and real iOS devices. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Open up your Mac OS and copy the Flutter project folder to desktop. Install Xcode if you didn't. Install Android Studio. Google search Flutter. Click Install. Select Mac OS. Download Flutter. OK. Let it continue. For demonstration, I'd like to drag the Flutter fold to desktop. Minimize the web page, we need it later. Now open up Terminal. Type in vim space tilde slash dot z s h r c and enter. Now press I. You get this page. Bring back the Flutter web page. Scroll down to number 3. Add Flutter path. Copy the code. And paste to terminal. Delete pwd. Type in slash, uppercase users, slash, your username. Your username is right here on terminal title bar. Then type in uppercase desktop. Press escape. Type :WQ and enter. Now try to type in Flutter help. Nothing happens. The settings are not taking effect yet. Just restart the terminal. And type Flutter help again. Now it works. Flutter is successfully installed. Now open Android Studio. Click Configure. Select Plugin. Look for Flutter and install it. It might also ask you to install Dart. Now open Flutter project folder in Finder. Look for .xcode proj file. And double-click it. This will open the project in Xcode. Go to menu Xcode then Preferences. Click Accounts. Click the bottom plus to add your Apple ID. Now you have a personal team. Now go to Menu, Product, and perform Clean Build folder. Inside Xcode, click your app name or runner on the top. Select Tab, General, and click Targets, Runner. Make sure you have your unique bundle identifier. Now go to Tab, Signing and Capabilities. Make sure your personal team is selected. From here, you can select an iOS simulator. Now click Run. It works. If you're more familiar with Android Studio, you can use Android Studio to edit and run Flutter app. Run terminal. Type Open-A Simulator. You can select other simulators here. Now we can run it. Now let's try to run on a real iOS device, iPhone or iPad. No device connected yet. Now connect an iPhone to this computer. And trust it. Enter your password. iPhone connected. Now click Run. Ignore the error. App installed. Now open Settings on iPhone. Go to General. Then Profile, or Device Management. Trust the installed app. Go back to home screen and tap to run the new app. It works on iPhone too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.